Yeah, Mashi. Okay, so we are. These are the. You can see us putting them in the. So we are going to add water to it and soak it for some days. But in some cases, you can decide to pound it, shred it, grind it, but it's very bitter. That's why we don't use mortar or grinding stone, because it's extremely bitter. It's used for about 40 kind of disease. Yes, it's used to treat a lot of hair. So you see, this is neem leaf. There's a active ingredient in neem leaf. It's called azadirachtin. Yeah, azadirachtin. That's the active ingredient in neem leaf, as in that is what is the active. Every chemicals you buy from the market have some active ingredient. Like, honestly, I don't know the name of chemicals, the pesticide. I'm trying to remember a name, but I don't know. So the active for this one, you have you have the active ingredient. So now we are adding water. You can see we're adding water. We're going to let it soak. We're going to let it soak, and then when it's soaked, we're going to be adding some other spices to it. Yes, most of the spices you come across, like ginger, garlic, onions, chili pepper, they are pesticide. They are natural pesticide. They are things you can use for natural pesticide. Basil, these are pesticide. Basil, garlic, onions, chili pepper, marigold. Yes, there's a flower called marigold. I have it on the farm, and yes, I have it on the farm. Then lemongrass, I have that one on the farm too, which we will bring to the house. So this is it. We'll leave it here for the next 2 days. And after 2 days, we'll come back and continue our preparation. So this is the method of preparing. This is how we prepare organic pesticide, as in grasshopper, grasses, everything. This is how we prepare, how to get them.